Ceremonial cacao. No, we aren't talking about industrialized commercial chocolate made by Mars, Hershey's or Kraft, or any other company that load their confectionaries with milk, sugar, fat and who know what else. It has been shown that the more cacao is processed, the more of its goodness is lost. So, what we are talking about here is 100% cacao beans ground down to become cacao liquor, which has historically been known for its numerous health benefits supporting physical and psychological well-being. Physical benefits of cocoa. Natural stress relief is provided by cacao because it contains potassium, phosphorus, copper, iron, zinc, and magnesium that contribute to cardiovascular health. Cacao helps soothe symptoms of depression and premenstrual syndrome by triggering the release of dopamine and phenylethylamine. Chocolate's ability to relieve emotional stress has now been scientifically proven. Among its benefits is the presence of anandamide, also known as the Bliss Molecule. It is a natural pleasure molecule that binds to the cannabinoid receptors on neurons when you feel a workout high. Anandamide is an endogenous ligand that your body produces when you feel a workout high. Besides powerful antioxidants, cacao also contains significant amounts of chromium, which regulates blood sugar levels. By increasing blood flow to the brain, mental agility, awareness, and focus are improved. Emotional and spiritual benefits of cocoa. As a powerful plant medicine, cacao has a wide range of health and psychological benefits. Plant medicine helps us release emotional blockages that no longer serve us, find forgiveness in ourselves and others. It also shows us the way forward when we are stuck or afraid of making necessary changes in our lives. As a result, we can gain access to buried emotions, conditionings, patterns of behavior, and addictions. Mesoamerican and South American cultures, including the Mayans and Aztecs, have always considered cacao to be a powerful aphrodisiac, exotic food, and medicine. The Greek name for cacao is Theobroma cacao, literally meaning food of the gods, Thea, God, Broma, food, with the Maya word cacao. Coca bliss. The neurotransmitter modulating agents found in cocoa act as natural antidepressants. Due to its high valeric acid content, it inhibits stress hormones while releasing dopamine, anandamide and endorphin phenylethylamine, all of which are considered bliss molecules. Cacao also contains tryptophan, an amino acid that increases the production of serotonin, a brain chemical associated with happiness and positivity. Cacao also contains neurotransmitters that remain in the bloodstream longer, creating a natural antidepressant, while caffeine and theobromine increase energy levels. Chocolate in its natural form can be a powerful medicine. For your daily bite of bliss, visit anarchychocolate.com. Anarchy Chocolate has 100% dark chocolate mass available to ceremonial cocoa workshops, chefs and bakers. Every aspect of our organic, dark chocolate is made from tree to bar on Anarchy Farm in Trot, Thailand. We have a fine selection of delicious and nutritious Thai organic, Kraft chocolates, husk tea and cocoa nibs. We deliver worldwide and now accept payments in several cryptocurrencies.